Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. I really appreciate you for joining me. Today we're just going to do a quick speed clean in our sweatpants. I do have to get back to work and I had a quick break in between, so thought I would just hurry up and clean the main floor, and I really appreciate you for joining me. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel as well. It would really help me out, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPEN. We should be closer than friends.
So here I'm just unloading my dishwasher quickly. What I do when I'm in a hurry is I put all of the clean dishes on top of the cabinet. I hurry up and load the dirty dishes, and then I put the clean dishes away. I am a little bit frustrated because I switched dish soap. They didn't have the dishwasher soap that I normally use, so I had to go with something else. And you know, a small percentage, but nonetheless, some of these dishes were actually dirty, which was frustrating to me because they didn't all fit in the dishwasher today. But next time I'll get the good soap, and I'll remember, you know, to maybe go somewhere where I know they carry it so I don't have this issue again. But is anybody else like that? Do you guys like a certain kind of soap or a certain kind of cleaning product, and it's frustrating when you go outside of that? Let me know in the comments below.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPEN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPEN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPEN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPEN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPEN.
I'm so upset. I recorded cleaning out these cereal containers and refilling them because in my last video I had mentioned that they were one of the best investments I've made on Amazon. I think they were like 25 bucks, but I filmed myself cleaning them out and refilling them and it didn't film. So anyways, it held a box of Trix and it held a box and a half of the Lucky Charms cereal. So in case that helps you. And then here I am just putting my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies on top of my my little stand there. I don't know what you would call that, but the Mrs. Meyer's soap is in the smell or the scent basil, and that little brush is what I use to scrub out my sink because it holds the soap so well and I don't have to worry about it leaking. Although some of my soap dispenser that I had previously did leak onto that stand, so if you guys have any tips or tricks to get that out, I'd love to hear it. There's something so satisfying about a soapy sink that you just know is clean because you've scrubbed every crack and every crevice of that sink. That's probably the most satisfying for me to clean outside of vacuuming because I love to vacuum and I actually love to mop also. But don't worry about the bristles on the sink. When I moved in, the sink was already scratched. So would I recommend this on a brand new sink? No, I wouldn't. But if you have a sink that's already worn out a little bit, this will save you so much time and so much energy, and it does so good that you don't have to scrub the same spot over and over. So if there's anything that you take away from this video, I hope it's that, because it is my best friend.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
When I am cleaning, I also like to cook in my crock pot, especially, you know, when I have a sick husband or something is going on. I'm working a full day and I can't get to dinner. This is my favorite thing ever to do, is just throw something in the crock pot. And this smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. If you want the recipe, let me know and I will be more than happy to post it. It's just chili. It's super easy. So if you're interested, just let me know.
She's approaching us. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
While I was cleaning these, I decided that my chalk on the labels was running just a little bit, so I decided to redo these, and you'll see that here in just a little bit.
Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Here I'm just using the Bistro chalk marker. It is fast drying, so you don't have to worry about your hand rubbing it or anything like that. But just keep in mind, if you're using this on a plastic chalk label, wet hands will make this run. It will blur it, so it may not be the best option, but the marker is great, so I highly recommend it. Just maybe not with the plastic labels.
The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN.
These totes were getting in my way, especially in the morning when the kids were getting ready for school. So I'm just gonna put them in my garage for now. Eventually I'll take them to the basement when I'm done using them. But as of right now, I'm still kind of putting stuff out and taking my summer stuff and taking it down. So for now, they're just gonna go in the garage until I'm ready to use them again. And then they'll go down to the basement on the shelves that they belong on.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
Just a quick little warning, I guess is what you would call it. If you purchase the Dollar Tree hay bales, they shed so bad when you take them out of the plastic. I'm still picking up pieces of it from when I decorated my buffet for fall. So it was all over my runner, it was all over the table, and it's stuck to the carpet underneath the table, and then it's also all over the tiles. So I've cleaned in here a few times and it's still all over the place. So definitely be careful whenever you're using it because it does get everywhere.
Too deep, breathe hard and complications. Open up. Need to
So right now I just received a package from FedEx, and it's a couple of Pioneer Woman queen size comforters that I ordered. I got one in gray and I got one in white, and these will go on my kids' beds. They're kind of growing out of the characters that they have in their room, so I wanted them to have something solid, which you'll see in my next cleaning video most likely is their rooms. So yeah, they were on clearance for like 18 bucks each, which is an amazing deal. So they should still have them, but you might want to hurry if you're interested because I bet these would sell out really quickly.
engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.